Good morning, students. Luck. This is our topic today. Has anyone thought what is luck? Nobody thinks about luck. Everybody thinks that luck is like something that God gives us. No. Luck is not that thing which is given by God. There is a definition for luck. It goes like this. When hard work gets an opportunity, that is called luck. I repeat, when hard work gets an opportunity, that is called luck. Now, you are students. You are studying. If you are studying well, you will be successful. If you are not studying well, you will be not successful. For example, take example for two students, one of you and your friend. You have studied very well. All the question and answers you have studied. And your friend, he has studied only a few questions. You go for the exam, you get the question paper in your hand, and you find out all the questions are that you have learned. At the same time, when your friend reads the question paper, he finds that only few questions that he has learned is there in the question paper. So you will think, oh my God, my luck is very good. And your friend will think he has a bad luck. Do you think that is your luck? I believe by the example that I have given you, you would have understand that it is not any God's doing that defines your luck. You have done enough hard work. More than enough hard work you have done. So all the questions you are able to answer. And your friend, he has not done that much hard work. So he cannot answer the questions. I will give you one more example. There were two students, two girls. They were getting ready for the exam. One girl, she was very religious and she used to pray to God all the time. Like, exam is tomorrow. Today she is just sitting in front of the picture of God and she is praying, oh God, help me in the exam, help me in the exam. At the same time, the second girl, what she did is, she prayed to God. At the same time, she revised the things. She memorized the things. She did not learn anything new. She just revised. So what do you think? Among these two girls, who will get good marks? Definitely the second girl who studied and she prayed also. The first one only prayed. But the second one, she studied, she revised and she did her prayers. So, luck is correlated with success also. Like, if you are having good luck, means your hard work is getting an opportunity and you are able to use that opportunity wisely, you will be a successful person. God gives, or the nature gives, equal opportunity to everyone. It is you who decide how to use that opportunity. Especially during this lockdown time, your teachers are working hard. They are sending the video lectures and everything. If you think it's just a time pass, we will just spend time, we will not watch the videos, anyhow we will go for tuitions and all these things, it's up to you. Because I believe there are no tuitions going on, nothing is going on, and it is very difficult for you after the lockdown to patch up with the things. So stay at home, stay safe, learn wisely, take this opportunity, do hard work so you can be successful. So you can make your own luck rather than depending on any other outer sources. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you.